Poppin' guys, it's your girl Nia Imani and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below and hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading, like duh. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. As you guys can see from the title today, your girl is giving you her new game day makeup routine / tutorial. So enough of this chit chat. Let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so I start off with my Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil Waterproof Eyebrow Definer. This be having my eyebrows on fleek. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I loved you. You were my girl. You see, I thought the world of you, but you're so steady. Without it, damn, I loved you. You were my girl. You see, I thought the world of you, but you're so steady, baby. I go in with my LA Girl Cosmetics concealer in the color Prawn to just clean up my eyebrows and, you know, give them a little shapey shape. Honestly, as y'all can see here, this thing is empty, and yeah, it's time for your girl to go get another one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. You don't have to call. You don't gotta call. It's okay, girl. It's okay, girl. I'm using my favorite eyeshadow palette. It's from Shayla X Dose of Colors. It was limited edition, so I don't know if they still have this, but if they do, you better run and get your hands on this because this right here makes the game day look.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that
my Fenty Beauty matte primer. Sometimes I use the milk one, the hydro primer, and then sometimes I use this. It just depends on how I'm feeling, but I've been using this primer for basically all of this season so far. Okay, so now it's time for foundation. This L'Oreal Infallible foundation is thebomb.com. Everyone always asks me what foundation I use. This is the foundation right here. L'Oreal Infallible is not expensive. You can buy it at the drugstore, Ulta. But this right here be having my face so smooth, so nice, one color, it blends perfectly. So for everyone asking, this is the foundation that I use every single time I do my makeup. Then I go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. You know, you gotta conceal the eyes and then, you know, down the bridge of your nose so my nose can be snatched like Michael Jackson. And I don't really like a super bright forehead, so I just go in with the LA Girl concealer that I use to clean up my brows, and I just put like 3 little lines on my forehead just to give it a little color. And as you guys can see, and I forgot to mention this a couple of steps ago, but I always, no matter if I'm using a brush or a beauty blender, I spray it with my setting spray, like 1 or 2 sprays, just so that like it's setting at the same time, if you get my point. Okay, so after I blend out my concealer a little bit with my brush, I go in with my Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer. Honestly, I know this is not like a contour. I don't really contour my face. Like, I just honestly just put on bronzer, and for me, it does the job. Now, when I'm trying to spice things up, I do contour, but I just normally don't do it on game day just because I'm afraid of messing up my makeup, and like clearly we're already steps in and I'm not trying to redo my face. So on game days and pretty much every day when I do my makeup, unless I'm feeling spicy, I just use bronzer to like chisel my face. Okay, so then it's time to blend with the beauty blender, and I already sprayed it. Also, my beauty blender is damp with water, but I also sprayed it with the setting spray. So now I'm just blending, you know, all of that concealer out. And then I am going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer to snatch my nose. And like I said, it just gives me that Michael Jackson plastic surgery nose. Like, that's what I'm doing here. After that, I go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I just set all of that in place.
Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Sudden change, say my name. Even as it change, baby, I love you. You ain't running, baby. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Never say my name.
And then I just use the same brush that I used for my bronzer just to clean everything up so there's not any harsh lines and all of that good stuff.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked.
For blush and for highlight, I go in with the Shayla X Dose of Colors palette. She also has a palette that has blush and highlighter. I don't know if highlight is still a thing, but on that court, I need the people in the 300 section to see me shine, okay, baby? I'm trying to twinkle, twinkle, little star on that court, period. Now it's time to set everything, and honestly, I'm the type of person, I drench my face in setting spray. Also, I don't remember the name of this setting spray, so it will be in the description box down below because, yeah, I'm not getting up, but I fan it, you know, so it can dry faster, so I can go on and put my lashes on, period.
Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
Next, I'm going to do my eyelashes. As you see, I use Ardell Studio Wispies, I think these are called. The exact name will be down below with the link and all of that. Shout out to Ardell for sending me these lashes. Now, baby, this glue from Ardell, or Duo, it holds. It truly, truly, truly holds. Like, this is like their active glue, and it is so good for when you are dancing, performing, or if you just need your lashes to last for the whole night. This glue will do it for you. This glue is everything. Like, ever since I've been using this glue, I haven't turned back. But I do go in with some mascara. I believe this is from Benefit as well, just to, you know, curl my lashes so that it's easier to place the eyelashes on.
Just say you will.
Side note, I am so glad that my lashes decided to participate and not embarrass me today. So shout out to my lashes for being a good lash day, because you know sometimes them applications be real rough.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got you joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some.
Okay, so now it's time for my lips, and I always use this Juvia's Place Brownie lip liner. This is like my go-to lip liner for my everyday looks and my game day looks. Now, for the color that goes on top of my lips, I switch it up for game days. Today's game, I used the NYX lip gloss, but sometimes I use the Fenty Beauty, the lip plumper one. Sometimes I use the Dose of Colors by Shayla lip gloss. It just depends on how I'm feeling. This was a G League game today, so I just went in with the NYX.
Need a reason, baby.